Let's go! We just made it to our hotel. Well, it's the day after we got here at our hotel, but here at IMTS, about to be a pretty awesome day. This event, I think, is like huge, massive, like 4 times bigger than any other event we've been to. As you can see, we're in beautiful Chicago here. You can see one of the Great Lakes back there. Well, you can't really see it very well, but it's back there. Oh, you can actually see it from over there too. There, yep. The buildings we're going to are like this size times 4 at least. I mean, that's actually like smaller than any one of the buildings. So yeah, we're gonna take you guys through all kinds of different stuff that's going on here at the event. We're gonna do like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, something like that. Here's Jenna here for you guys.
Hi.
But yeah, so we're gonna be just like crushing it, right? Getting content, meeting people, networking. If you see me, make sure to come up to me, say hey, say what's up, and we'll catch you later in the video. What is going on, guys? We just made it to IMTS. It's got booked in, checked in, however you want to call it. There's already quite a bit of people here. Day 1, baby. I think this is yeah, what was it, like 4 buildings here. It's gonna be wild. We're gonna be putting out all kinds of content, so make sure you stay tuned.
Here at ICMS again, and it's pretty sweet so far. So we haven't really found what we're wanting, but we are walking around and seeing a bunch of cool things. And
yeah, it's pretty big, it's huge, and the booths here probably have the highest amount of investment over any other show we've been to.
for sure.
I mean, easily like $150,000 investments in these booths. We're in a really small section now. Actually, I should have.
We're in the tooling and work holding systems.
Yeah, but like right now we're in like the little small booths off to the side. In the center, I mean, they're like 50 by 50, easy in size. Maybe even like 100 by 50 or something in size. It's wild. Yeah, we're gonna try to find the like robotics, automation side of things, just so we can be like more in our realm. This is more like CNC, 3D printing type of area that we're in right now, and you'll see that in some of the B-roll video.
We're still at the Yaskawa booth. They will have an open bar today, but come get some beer served by a robot. It's probably the coolest thing I've seen here so far. So, hope you guys enjoy it.
Alright, so we're over here at the Laser and the Titan of CNC booth. This is just freaking awesome. So if you haven't heard of Titan of CNC, they do like a lot of like educational stuff for CNC. They have a YouTube channel. They're very popular on LinkedIn. I'm sure you've probably seen them. They have like some of the most popular content out but they're doing stuff like this, like wild stuff, like just crazy, the type of like things they're outputting, and they just do very good with their like marketing, production quality, like all over the place. And they also are huge supporters in this company here. I'm not sure if that's like a brand deal or if that's all they actually use as their lubricant. But yeah, super cool. Definitely check them out if you're doing anything in the CNC world, especially if you're like want to get involved in any type of like CNC education. They have like a CNC academy and whatnot, so that's a super cool thing to do, or super cool educational tool, I should say. Probably better than going to a college, I would assume. All right, we came to the right place.
Finally.
Found the Fanuc booth. The big robot. Yes, let's go. I didn't think it was gonna be in this building. Wow, look at these booth sizes. This is what I'm trying to say, like way back over there. That's like a good like easy 100 feet away. We're just gonna walk you through this one real quick because this is bad. Hey, I think we might be on the CNC side of things. So here's a Fanuc CNC machine. You got the big 900. I think it was the 2000.
1700.
Yep. Boom, boom, boom. Look, we got some Fanuc 3D printing. Look at this, boy. Let's go. Pretty positive. This actual Fanuc controls 3D printing. No way, dude. That's wild AF. Wild AF. Look at this, sick. I don't know what we're doing here, but we're doing it. We're doing it, boy. Wow, this is wild. Fanuc outfitted CNC. I have not seen this before. So I'm not in the CNC world, so there's a lot of stuff I don't know. But wow, Fanuc servo motor on an old school CNC. Look at this control unit too. Crazy. That's super cool. Super cool. Got some collaborative robots. Here's their whole lineup over here. Collaboratives. So you got the CR series and you have the CRX series. CRX series is definitely much better of the two. You see right here we got the palletizing with the CRX. The CR was like the older generation. This is a new release here, as well as this. So this is the CRX 25. Gives you 25 kg payload. Wow. 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 This one's by far like the coolest one. Fanuc IOs for the CNC machine. Wish they use these. I think this is actually for the PLC. Slice IO. I've not dealt with the Fanuc. So I'm used to dealing with these cards right here on the Fanuc robot. I've not dealt with this series. So this is really cool. I think that's the newer. Yeah, it is new. New Slice IO. I like that a lot better. I think they should convert to doing like a CIP protocol or something though, instead of whatever their proprietary stuff is. So here we have a bunch of CRXs doing a bunch of random stuff. We got some bin picking. We got the polishing. We got, what's the other one doing? Let's check it out. See what this other one's doing real quick. Oh, this is doing alignment. This is a really cool application actually. So what happens here with this is basically the robot picks this up and it can put it here, but if the gears don't align perfectly, it'll do adjustment. It can detect whether it's actually aligning appropriately. When it goes to push down, it goes to push down and it does like a sensor, like a force torque sensing to see like see if it has too much friction, right? If there's too much friction, too much force or whatever, then it knows it's out of a line, so then it'll auto adjust it to fit down so the sprockets align. Let's go. I'm just gonna keep walking y'all through this one because this is wild. Because you also just have to understand like the size of this thing. Up here, you got a whole lounge. How do you see it? Right there. That's a lounge up there. This is crazy. Wow. IMTS is definitely the real deal. It's already the best. I can already tell, like just the investment that I'm seeing from people. It's just wild. What we got here? Got some probably some vision. Oh, we got the tablet teach pendant. Look at that. I haven't messed with that yet. I'm about to take it. I'm about to go. We got a whole nother booth here. Kind of just doing some standardized stuff using, got 3D. Bin picking. I'll probably do a whole like video on like different technologies. I did that at AME or wherever we were. But there's a battery picking, high-speed heavy part picking. That's a big scary robot. I actually didn't pay attention to that. And then we got some 3D vision here using Scaro as well. And we got more bin picking. Bin picking's huge, right? It's definitely one of the newer things. Here you're doing contour. So you're doing a lot of contour following with the robot using 3D vision, line track, to track it all the way down. Crazy, love it. We got a spot welding robot over here. There's a deburr robot right here. Look at that big deburr tool. Wild. Oh, it's for an airplane. I just noticed that. Look, it's an airplane. Let's go. And then we have welding one. We've been focusing on a lot of welding applications. This is a MIG welding application. And it looks like it has a vision sensor on it, probably for seam tracking. So that's super cool. Doing a lot of fixture design stuff and manufacturing of fixtures. So Lincoln power supply on it. So what the vision system is. And two Panics. I've never heard of that one. Yeah, it's definitely seam tracking for sure. All right, cool. This is still not even it. Holy cow, this is way longer than I wanted it to be. So we've seen this one over here at the, what was it, Automate or whatever. That one. It's a pretty big robot. That's the 900 right there. Oh, it's the 1000. Then we have R2000 robot. This is probably one of the most common robots I've worked with. R2000, doing a wheel application. We actually have a customer that does wheels. Hispanic IPC. I'm not doing anything with that. Hispanic IPC. Doing more bin picking right here. Holy cow, my arm is sore already. Let's do one last pass on what we got here. One last pass, okay. Because we're over here in the CNC area. So if you're not sure about Hispanic CNC, there you go, boy. Hispanic CNC. Yeah, I want to do some more work with Hispanic CNC because we do, you know, machine tending applications and stuff like that. So, really cool. This is crazy. So, AMR technology to machine tending. This is the stuff that's going to be the future right there. Those are the things. That's crazy. Mind blown. More CNC stuff over here. I mean, this is wild. I think I pretty much just went through it all. So we finally got through it all here in the Panic booth. Just the Panic booth. This is wild. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna be having full episodes and things coming out on our YouTube channel, LinkedIn. Make sure to follow us and all that good stuff. And we'll catch you on the next one. All right, guys, you see this right here? Titan Gilroy. Where'd he go? Not there. He disappeared. Hey! Yeah, probably will, yeah. We got the guy here himself. Super cool. So this guy's super famous. He's got a line here waiting for people to meet him. If you're in the CNC world, you definitely know who he is. If you're not, get on LinkedIn, check him out. They have the best content when it comes to CNC world, the whole entire CNC space, education, everything. They also manufacture items and whatnot as well. So yeah, check them out. I'm sure their hashtag or something's up there. But yeah, we're gonna say what's up.
Hi guys, we're at the UR booth. This is the new UR20. They're actually accepting orders in the US now, but the delivery time isn't until June 30th, 2023.
So guys, with that being said, make sure that you hit us up if you're looking to do any robots, any UR robots in 2023. It's going to open up a ton of capabilities of what UR can do, and yeah, ton of capabilities. You know, biggest issue with UR is going to be the reach and payload. We have a longer reach, higher payload, so we're ready to do new things. Let's go.
great people. We've seen some cool things, but we're not even halfway through, so
Right.
it's kind of hard to determine what the show's going to be like.
What all kind of things are here so far?
A lot of CNC machining. There's a lot of automation. There's not a lot of like robotic.
It's just a higher percentage of machining.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you can look out there, guys, like ton of machining, like a lot of CNC, you know, machining, tooling. I would say probably at least 50% of this place is of that. 3D printing is another portion of it. But yeah, super cool. Make sure you hit that follow button for me and Jenna if you're interested in anything that's going on over here at IMTS. Ton of stuff going on out here. We're gonna have a ton of videos, ton of pictures coming out. So hit that follow button, that subscribe button on YouTube. Stuff will be coming there as well. Catch you on the next one.